B is we have Z. So part B, we have our Z being equal to 4 minus 3x all over 3x squared plus x. These things are dividing, so we have to use the quotient rule. We know that quotient rule, we have a U, which is a V. This is a high, then this is low. We put this with the pens, okay? Then we can now go ahead and write with the pen again here to say, let U be equal to 4 minus 3x. Then comma, you say V be equal to the bottom, which is 3x squared plus x. Now we can do our U prime, which is the derivative of 4 is nothing. The derivative of negative 3x is going to negative 3. Then we have V prime is going to be that this, you drop 2 times 3, it's 6x to the 1. Derivative of x is just a 1. So now we can now say that Z prime is going to be low, which is V, D high, which is the derivative of the top, that's U prime, minus high, U, D low, V prime, or over square the bottom, V squared. This is going to be, what is your low, the V? It's 3x squared plus x, so it's 3x squared plus x. It's multiplying D high, derivative of the top, which is just a negative 3. Then minus, we put a big bracket, high, which is U, what is, it is 4 minus 3x, in bracket, it's multiplying V prime, derivative of the bottom, which is 6x plus 1, so it's multiplying 6x plus 1, like this. All over square the bottom, we take V itself and we square it, 3x squared plus x, so it's 3x squared plus x, we square it outside like this. Then we go ahead to simplify. This becomes negative 3 times this is a negative 9 of x squared. Negative 3 times x becomes a negative 3x minus, we put this big thing. Then we expand this. We take 4, it multiplies the whole of the second bracket. 4 times 6x, it's 4 by 6, 24. X comes as it is, okay? 4 by 1 is just a 4, so plus 4. Minus 3x times this, it's going to be minus, the signs are different. 3 times 6 is 18. Then x times x is x squared. Then minus 3x times a positive 1 becomes a minus 3x, like this. All over, this is going to be 3x squared plus x all squared. Then what are we going to get? We are going to get it being negative 9x squared minus 3x minus now the whole thing, which is going to be minus of 24, it's minus 24x, minus of 4, it becomes minus of 4, minus minus becomes plus 18x squared, minus minus becomes plus 3x. It's all over 3x squared plus x all squared. We simplify this now. What are we going to get? This is just going to be equal to, for the x squared, we have a minus 9 and then 18. So it's like 18 minus 9, you get a positive 9 of x squared. Then for the things with x, we have a minus 3, a minus 24, and a plus 3. So the plus minus 3 and the plus 3 will cancel. We'll just remain with a minus of 24x. Then we have a minus 4 here. So the x squareds are gone, and we have a minus of 24x. Then we have this minus. Is it a minus 4? Is it a minus 9? What is it? It's a minus of a 4. So it's minus 4. And it's all over 3x squared plus x all squared. And this will be our final solution. We're going to leave it like this. This is what we have, and we are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. Okay? This is all you needed. Goodbye for now. Let's go do part C in the next video. Okay?